Mechanical design is at the heart of every product you use. Whether it's automotive, aerospace, or consumer goods, mechanical designers play a crucial role in shaping the future of engineering. To land a job in mechanical design, you'll need a mix of technical and soft skills. Start with mastering CAD tools like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, or CATIA. Understand the principles of mechanics, thermodynamics, and materials science. Most mechanical design jobs require a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering or a related field. But you can boost your prospects by pursuing certifications in CAD software or specialized areas like FEA, finite element analysis, and CFD, computational fluid dynamics. A strong portfolio is key. Include your best design projects, whether they're class assignments or personal designs. Show off your CAD models, prototypes, and simulations to prove your skills. Internships give you hands-on experience and help you build industry connections. If internships aren't available, work on personal projects or freelance gigs to gain experience and build your resume. Networking is essential. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn, attend industry events, and seek guidance from mentors or alumni. Building relationships can help open doors to job opportunities. Craft a standout resume, highlighting your skills, certifications, and practical experience. Tailor your resume for each job application to showcase the skills most relevant to the position. Prepare for both technical and behavioral interviews. Brush up on key mechanical design concepts and be ready to showcase your problem-solving skills and team experience. Job portals like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor are great places to start your search. Don't forget to check company websites and attend career fairs to connect with recruiters directly. The road to a career in mechanical design might take time, but with persistence and continuous learning, you'll be on your way to landing that dream job. Keep honing your skills and stay proactive.